Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin, and today we're going to be doing what I eat, I guess. Okay? So basically, let's move into the video.
The bee eaters arrive at the oasis each spring with one thing on their
So we were over there, and now we're over here. So, what I eat, blah, 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 blah.
Males try to win
The
female's
first
favor
thing I
by offering
eat
them
is,
tidbits.
let's go look at my, oh my god, la fridge. I'm going to see what I want. You guys, I'm going to actually change it to, what should I eat? That's going to be the title. So keep watching.
Be impressed.
Okay, so what I have here is, we got, I don't know what this is. I know what it is, but I forgot. And we got, what?
Oasis village
I don't know what that is,
provide one
but it looks like we got,
every Bedouin journey for thousands of years.
Jumbo biscuits, and then there's two of them, jumbo biscuits. We have sour cream, we have tapatio, we have primer protein. That's what my mom drinks. We have ketchup, we have all kinds of toppings. We have mustard, we have syrup, we got, there's a lot of things. These are all toppings, these are all toppings, these are toppings. And then in here, we got butter, mayonnaise, which is I don't like at all. Water, which is, it was Gatorade. We got bacon. We got, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what that is. We have, this. We have, I don't know what that is. We have medicine drink. We have that, and we have another mayonnaise. Down here, we have, ooh, ice cream. That might be one of my choices. I really like ice cream. We have, to sandwich, honey ham. We have some rice leftover. We have some leftover salad. We have Geek yogurt, which is so good. I always eat it. Why? Well, I don't always eat it. I don't actually eat it. Sometimes I do. My mom eats it though. And then in this drawer, we have this, which is I don't know what it is. We have an apple. We have a lemon, we have some cheese, and we have another green apple. Okay, down here we have some salad things. We got crushed pineapple. We have my mom's coffee something. It is that kind, pie kind. It's yummy. We have some milk, and yeah, nope. We have, I don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure it's, I don't know what it is. We have some more lemons. No, wait, that's not lemon. I don't know what that is. And then in there we just have some of those, 3 of them. So that's my fridge, basically. You guys never knew. Well, you didn't know because I said it. I said I would probably want ice cream. While I was showing you guys, I said, yeah, I really want ice cream. I feel like the fridge should be where I put my phone. I meant my camera. Because, like, right here. Where? Ow. Well, there's the light. Hopefully it didn't blind you guys. Well, I really like this. It's really good lighting. Well, it's not really good, but it's kind of good. I kind of like it. Oh God, the bacon's in the way. I knew I shouldn't do that. But You guys can't see me, that's why. I really wanted you guys to see me. Oh, you could see me. So, as I said, I probably want ice cream. And look what kind it is, guys. It is peanut butter party. I probably want that. It's Reese's too, as you guys can see. There's like Reese's over there. Yummy. I'm gonna go get a bowl and a fork, and I'll see you when I have them. Well, you guys are still... there's no lighting. I'm gonna go turn on the light, guys. So, I'm gonna go turn on the light. Peace. Ta-da! The light is on. You guys probably can see, which is up there. So I opened this. I don't want this kind. You guys, I don't really want that kind. I don't want that kind. I'm gonna look in the freezer, which is up top. Guys, look what I found. I found rainbow ice cream. I don't know if I want that one. Guys, look what I found. I'm for sure making that.
The ancient Bedouin knowledge has been passed on to our generation.
I'm gonna make this for sure. You guys, if I brush my teeth after, don't mind me. That's what I do all the time. So it's not a morning routine. I'm just saying, it's not a morning routine, okay? Okay. Okay. So basically, sorry if it's loud, but basically what this is, I have you guys on my baby cousin's pumpkin. See? Don't mind because my baby cousin made it and he's starting to know how to color. He knew that was blue, that was yellow, and that was red. And I didn't show you. So here's blue, here's yellow, and here's red. Hopefully you guys can see, but it's red. So it is red. So I'm gonna grab this. They're really good and they smell so good. I wish you guys can smell. But I'm gonna grab a plate. I don't need to grab a plate. I'm gonna grab this because it's kind of like the size. See? And then it comes with this little Hold on, guys. That's all. It comes with this cream, but I think it's gone. I'm gonna check in the fridge. Someone ate the cream instead of the thing, so we're just gonna have to eat it alone. But you guys, there's strawberry in it, so at least we get strawberry, right? So we moved the spot from over there. We came from here because the microwave is literally turned right there. I'm gonna let you guys see it. I'm gonna do it up close. I'm doing it up close so you guys can see what I pushed. Okay, so over here, what we push is I push one. Watch, guys. So watch right there. I put 1, 0, 0. And then I push start. So it's my. Oh wait, it's not even microwaving. I have it right here. Okay, now here we go. Gotta hit start. Now it is microwaving. You could see it right there. So we just gotta wait for that to microwave. So see you over there at the table. I just noticed this is way much better light.
This is the team's
And
first clue.
the thing is ready. So the thing is ready, but
They arrive at dusk.
I
To see the camels being brought back to camp for the night.
I'm gonna tell you guys something. So
Saleh, the best camel rider in the land,
you guys,
is a man of
I have been getting requests that we should do, well, us two, we should, so I went through my comments and you guys were saying, oh, on my other video, you guys were saying, well, I'm gonna go grab the food first because
coffee
let's just,
originated in Arabia. Perhaps this is a way to impress.
this is really smells good. There's like bubbles in it. I like popping them. Ow. I really want to make slime, guys.
Saleh's race is less than
Ow, 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 ow. I have the slime ingredients, but
the team
I have
know
no
they only
Tide.
have one chance to film the action.
I wish I had Tide. Ow, it's burning.
The next day, they head to a practice
Ow.
field in a field.
I'm gonna go grab a fork.
It's mayhem at the start. And it seems the team are attracting unwanted attention.
Guys, instead of grabbing a fork, I grabbed a knife to prove that there's strawberries. It's really good. In my opinion, I think this is yummy. In your opinion, I don't know. Request if you think it's yummy or nasty. I really think it's yummy. If you guys ever tried it, you guys would probably think it's yummy too. I'm just saying. I think. It's my opinion. Ooh, can you guys see the strawberry? Looks like there's blood in it. But it's really hot, so it's kind of hard to peel off. So I showed you guys there's strawberry. Ow. Ow.
They may be dressed for the task.
It's really hot.
They couldn't send in on race
Ah.
day. They want to gain a better understanding of the
So
men.
I have to peel.
They're invited to
Ow,
camp
ow.
with them.
See the strawberry, guys? It looks so yummy. Okay. That is hot,
Genuine and famous
guys.
hospitality.
That is really hot.
In the desert, eaten
I'm really mad. That is really hot. I should have known. I literally want to scream, but I'm on camera, and if people's wearing headphones, I don't want to hurt your ears, so
male bonding in
trying to
the
hold it in.
is nasty. But perhaps the most sensitive is engaging the women.
Even though it's just a little
No one is
piece
better
like that,
placed to do
it's
this
still
than
hot.
woman Sue Gibson. This is a rare opportunity to discover the voyage of the sun.
Oh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot.
You went all the way
Saleh
around?
wants Toby and Challenge to understand what it takes.
Twice? Whoa.
And we need to make a special noise. Like an angry frog. Abdullah, what's the name of my camel? Samha.
That is too hot. I can't do it with this. Ow, ow, ow. It's not hot anymore, but
Walking is one thing.
I don't want to eat in front of you guys' faces. Ow! I don't want to eat in front of your guys' faces, so I'm gonna see you when I'm done. Ready?
What more?
Yeah, I get more.
Tomorrow,
Okay, I'm done. See? You guys can see in my bowl, I'm done.
the crew are settling into their bedrooms.
So I had one more.
You best to share stories
okay.
with them warm and
Gotta go put this in the sink.
Get a moment like this to flip on the phone, copy, share some dates, and spend some time with each other. We've been so comfortable. These
Oh,
moments
it's so yummy.
special.
That was really yummy, guys.
is
I have my Pepsi.
hundreds of camels and riders here to compete in the grand finale.
Let's see. You guys, this was really good.
Crew's decision to
You
blend
guys, it was really good. It's just, it was really hot. Sorry. It was just really hot. That's why I didn't like it. But yeah, it was still good. Jeez. There's some chips over there.
Sully
And I'm eating one of my chips.
and Toby gets himself into prime position.
Hey, who took my chips?
But the crew is a thrill to witness this spectacle.
I just had my chips. Oh, they're right there.
And everyone's pleased to see Hazard rise.
I was about to say, someone took my chips.
But it's only back at the end that they get to share in the fun.
So,
And they
hope you guys enjoyed this video.
see some action.
If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And there's a bubble. Oh, there's a bubble. 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 Everywhere around me is floating bubbles. See you next time. Bye.